So if you provide enough document, the USCIS won't revoke the case. They will send the case back to the US consulate, and then you will go for the second visa interview. That's when you have to convince the consular officer that, okay, USA Mon. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about visa denial. Okay, you go to your interview appointment, your immigrant visa interview appointment, and your visa is denied, unfortunately. So what do you do after that? And what are the common reason why your visa is denied? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, so there are some stuff you need to know. Okay, after your visa is denied, you have to take some action. One thing you need to know is that when your visa is denied, it doesn't mean that it's permanent. Okay, it's not permanent. Okay, and then when a visa is denied, it can be because of certain stuff. The first thing is maybe there is a missing document, reason why the consular officer cannot make a decision to give you the visa. It can be maybe the petitioner task transcript is missing, and the consular is asking for that document. So once you send those documents back, then they're going to make a decision, and then to see if you're eligible to get a visa. Okay. Another thing is sometimes when a visa is denied, it's just because of something doesn't click in the security check. They saw the consular officers see something, then they have to do more investigation. Basically, they're going to review your case deeply. Okay, that's when the case is in administrative processing. But the thing with that, you don't know when exactly the case will be resolved. It takes time because there's no time frame for that. You just have to be patient. That's the only thing you can do once the case is in administrative processing. If you discover me for the first time, my name is John. My main goal here is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also U.S. citizens regarding the I-130 process. Well, some of you guys don't know how the process works. That's what we cover the most on this channel. We also talk about anything that can help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. Another thing is sometimes when the case is denied, it can be because USCIS approve your case, the petition by mistake. So in that case, the U.S. consulate will send the case back to USCIS to revoke the case, and then the USCIS will contact you to provide some documents. Okay, so if you provide enough document, the USCIS won't revoke the case. They will send the case back to the US consulate, and then you will go for the second visa interview. That's when you have to convince the consular officer that, okay, you really have to get the visa. Okay, that you are eligible to get the visa. And another thing is sometimes the case is denied because of something seriously that happened. Maybe the consular officer saw something that make you ineligible to get a visa. So in that situation, you need to hire a lawyer to assist you. Okay, depending on what it is, because that one is not because of a missing document. It got to be something very serious. So you just hire an immigration lawyer or an attorney to represent you, to see if they can, convince the U.S. consulate to give you the visa. So basically, those are the steps you can take after your visa is denied. Okay, when the visa is denied, the U.S. consular officer will tell you the reason why the visa is denied. So based on that, you will take action. Like I say, if it's a missing document, you know what to do. If the case is in administrative processing, you just have to wait, okay, till they're done. If the case is sent back to the USCIS, you know what to do. USCIS will contact you, provide additional document. The case will go back to the U.S. consulate. If it's something very serious, that's when you're gonna hire a lawyer if you have a mean. But if you don't hire a lawyer, well, there's nothing else you can do. It's just gonna stay like that. Okay, and then in case you have to send additional document, to the U.S. consulate before they can make a decision. In case of missing document, you have to make sure you send that document back within a year. If you don't send that document back within a year, then they will close the case. There's nothing else you're going to do but start the I-130 process again. So guys, if you like the video, click on the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video.
USA Monde.